Love. Love is a boundless force that binds not only humans, but also all the other species, as well. Love is expressed through the eyes, face, speech and action. Eyes are not only for vision, rather they emit a type of energy. They express the feelings of the heart to convey whatever feeling it feels, such as love, hatred, anger, confusion, pain, pleasure, happiness, and so on. Similarly, our facial expressions are also meant to indicate our feelings of love, anger, hatred, contentment, and so on. For example, a smile on the face, with the widening of the lips signifies a feeling of joy, or even love, and happiness. Another mode of expression is through our speech. Through the kind and sweet words that we speak, we can express the feelings of love or adoration. Sometimes, however, we may not say it to each other, or express it through our eyes. We may do something that is for the betterment of another. That action then is also an expression of how we feel for that person, be it love, or, if we do something to hurt another, we may be expressing hate.
Thanks for watching.